Do you love Fruity Pebbles? Well, if you're a Fruity Pebbles lover, this one's for you. Got a little bit of butter in there? Okay. Are they cooking or are they making drinks? Kind of both. Then we get our marshmallows in. Y'all going like, wait a minute, where's this? Is this Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory going on here? Then we mix our Fruity Pebbles into that marshmallow butter mix. Okay. Why are they doing this? What are they doing? What are they trying to do? Homeboy, we're making Fruity Pebbles shot glasses, okay? So we get a nice chunk in. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. I realize that this is the first time you guys are seeing stuff like this. And you wonder what kind of curry stew this is. No, it's not, okay? We're just making shot glasses. We squeeze a little in. Okay, get them in there. Now watch what happens when we break them up. Bang! Got a nice little Fruity Pebble shot glass. And you can clean them up, file off the top, do what you need. We seal the inside with some melted white chocolate. Beautiful, beautiful. Paste it, okay, so that they don't leak. You want them nice and sealed. And now you can come behind, pour your little booze in. Okay? Drink and eat. Eat and be filled, my brother. Eat and be filled. And there you have it. Stay tipsy.